this is the wrong way around. Okay, so every Christmas I tell myself that I'm gonna make handmade Christmas cards, but I always wait till December and then I realise, well, I don't have enough time to make Christmas cards. So this year I started at the end of October and I planned it all out. I did like test drawings and things, and I did a print of my dog wearing a Christmas hat, and I really hated it. So I was getting really angry because now it was beginning of November, so I was like, I've got to make something. So I made a really simple Christmas tree print and then wrote Merry Christmas on some lino. I carved it very badly, but to be honest, I kind of like how it's badly carved because it looks a bit like, it looks a bit wonky, and it looks nice when it's wonky. I did a test print of my really quick carve and I fixed up the edges because there were like little bumps and things. And then I started folding my paper. I decided to use brown paper because I just think brown paper looks really nice. It's very earthy and I wanted to go for an earthy, rustic look.
28 card folds later.
So yeah, I started printing and I printed about maybe 30 cards, but some of them just didn't work out, so I think I've ended up with about 20 something cards. I actually don't like lino printing. I think it's horrible. I hate every lino print that I've ever done. But I always see other people's lino prints and I get really jealous, so I decide to do my own lino prints and then I hate it, and then I do another one and then I hate it. So I've actually done these lino prints on the back of a lino print I already did. So what I want to do is decorate each one individually with different colours and different, like, I bought little stickers to stick on, I bought little stars, I bought pom-poms, but I was going to stick on top of the tree, but it just looked really out of place, so I decided not to use pom-poms. I want to make each one individual because I just really don't like the packs of Christmas cards that you get where every single one's the same. I just think that's really boring. I'm probably going to pick out the best and like send it to like my mum and dad and stuff, and then the bad ones can go to like my cousin.
I never get what I really want. What is it you want?
I decided to decorate the envelope as well, just a little bit. So when people receive the letter, then they know it's from me, because the little stamp I made has my signature in it, the H and the C for Hannah Cade. And I used up the last of my stickers and just did something really simple on the front.
I hope this video inspires you to make your own Christmas cards, because personally, if I got a Christmas card from someone that was handmade, I'd appreciate it way more than like a store-bought one. But then if you don't have the time to, then I also appreciate one that's store-bought because I like Christmas cards. Thanks for watching. Please watch our other videos. We like to travel, make art videos, and then Curtis edits it, and we get no views. I like that. Stay tuned for a wrapping video. I'm going to make my own wrapping paper, and I'm going to wrap my presents, and I'm going to try and do it as sustainably as possible.